This video is to review how to drop your classes. If you have holds preventing registration, please reach out to your advisor for clarification. Advisors can be contacted at 575-624-7294. To begin, log into your CosmoLink. On your home menu, scroll down and click on Add Drop Class. Next, select Register for Classes. Then select the term that you're signed up for. This screen will show all the classes you are currently registered for. In the Action column of your summary, on your drop-down menu, you'll select Web Drop Course for any and all classes that you are wanting to drop. After these classes have been selected, select Submit. And this will drop the course for you.